Hello there, bike lover. Today, we've got an exciting review for you, the ZPWH2O Pro Adults Epic. This is a high-performance electric bike designed for adults who love adventure. Let's dive into its features and specifications. Firstly, let's talk about power. This e-bike has a 200W motor and a 48 volts to 5Ah battery, ensuring smooth and efficient riding on any terrain. Its top speed is an impressive 45 km per hour, making it perfect for commuting or weekend rides. The ZPWH2O Pro is equipped with 20-inch snow tires, designed for off-road use, so you can conquer any condition from gravel to mud or snow with ease. Its folding design makes it incredibly convenient to transport and store when not in use. Safety is always a priority, and the ZPWH2O Pro doesn't disappoint. It comes with double disc brakes and high-quality suspensions for a smooth ride over bumps or potholes. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort while riding. In summary, the ZPWH2O Pro Adults Epic is an impressive electric bike that combines power, performance, versatility, and safety. If you're in the market for an e-bike that can handle anything you throw at it, this might just be the one for you. Remember to stay safe, respect traffic rules when riding your e-bike, and have fun exploring the world on your wheels. Thanks for joining us today on our review of the ZPWH2O Pro Adults Epic. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy riding!